Imagine, for a moment, the thick grasses of the African savanna at dusk. The air is completely still, and shadows stretch across the land. Somewhere out there, a massive reticulated python lies coiled and waiting. Nearby, a hungry hyena pads softly, nose twitching as she searches for her next meal. Suddenly, their paths cross. Now, two of nature's fiercest fighters meet face to face. The tension is, honestly, electric. Anything can happen. This isn't just a battle for food, it's a clash of worlds. The python is a silent, ancient killer. The hyena is fast, fierce, and clever. Each has survived for centuries, perfecting their own way to hunt and fight. But really, which one will come out on top today? There's no referee here. In the wild, only the strongest and smartest survive. Both animals have their fans and their enemies. Both have won battles that others thought they couldn't. But tonight, there can only be one winner. Let's look deeper into this wild showdown. Who are these combatants, and how do they fight? The reticulated python is the world's longest snake. It can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 300 pounds. Its body is thick as a tree trunk. Its skin is covered in beautiful diamond-shaped patterns, just perfect for hiding among leaves and shadows. Pythons are famous for their strength and patience. The hyena, on the other hand, is not just a scavenger. Spotted hyenas are powerful predators. They weigh up to 190 pounds, have strong shoulders, and sturdy muscular legs. Their jaws are the strongest in the animal kingdom, able to crush bone with ease. Hyenas hunt in packs but are also skilled solo hunters. Both animals have fearsome reputations. Pythons are known for ambushing prey silently, then squeezing the life out of them. Hyenas are famous for their loud laughs and clever tricks. They can chase, bite, and wear down even bigger animals. Their hunting methods are different, but both are deadly in their own way. One relies on stealth and grip, the other on speed and bite. When these two cross paths, the result is, honestly, pretty unpredictable. Next, let's dive into how the python hunts and what makes it so dangerous. The reticulated python is a master of patience. It lies motionless for hours, hidden in grass or underbrush. Its patterned skin breaks up its outline, making it almost invisible. When prey comes close, the python strikes with lightning speed, grabbing the animal with its sharp backward-facing teeth. Once the python has a hold, it wraps its massive body around its victim. It squeezes tighter and tighter. Each breath the prey takes becomes harder. In just minutes, the animal can't breathe. The python's muscles are so strong they can stop the heart of a full-grown deer or pig. But you know, pythons have weaknesses too. They are not fast movers. If a first strike misses, it takes time to set up again. Their heads are narrow and not heavily protected. They cannot bite deep like a mammal. If attacked, a python may try to escape rather than fight. Pythons are used to hunting animals that don't fight back as hard as a hyena. They usually go after sleeping or distracted prey. If a python faces a tough animal that can bite or claw, things can get risky for the snake. Now let's see what makes the hyena such a strong opponent. The hyena is not just strong, it is smart and bold. Hyenas have big brains for their size. They can solve problems and work together in packs. But even alone, a hyena is dangerous. Its nose smells prey from miles away. Its ears catch every tiny sound in the grass. When a hyena hunts, it relies on speed and stamina. It can run for miles without tiring. It chases prey, bites at legs, and dodges kicks. When it attacks, it goes right for the soft spots, legs, belly, or throat. Its jaws are so strong they can bite through thick bones and even turtle shells. Hyenas are also quick to defend themselves. If threatened, they snarl, snap, and fight back fiercely. Their thick necks and strong skin help protect against bites. Even lions and leopards respect a hyena's bite. Hyenas are not easy to surprise or scare, but of course, hyenas have limits. They are brave, but not reckless. If they sense real danger, they may retreat rather than risk a deadly fight. They are used to working with others, but this time, our hyena is alone. Let's imagine how a battle might play out between these two wild warriors. In the first scenario, the python gets the drop on the hyena. Hidden under leaves, the python waits in perfect stillness. The hyena, nose to the ground, sniffs for food and steps just a bit too close. With a sudden burst, the python strikes, its teeth sinking into the hyena's leg. The snake wraps around the hyena's body, starting to squeeze. The hyena yelps in shock and pain. It struggles, twisting and snapping its powerful jaws. But the python's grip is like a vice. Every time the hyena breathes out, the coils just get tighter. Yet, the hyena is not helpless. It bites at the snake's thick body, tearing at the scales. Its jaws are strong enough to break bone, and honestly, the python can feel the pain. Blood flows. If the python cannot finish the job quickly, the hyena's bites may force it to let go, or even kill it. If the python is lucky and strong, it might manage to suffocate the hyena. But if the hyena fights back hard and finds the snake's head, it could break free or even kill the python. This battle is all about speed and surprise, but what if the hyena is the one who spots the danger first? In this scenario, the hyena senses something is wrong. Its sharp eyes catch a hint of movement in the grass, ears perk up, and muscles tense. Instead of walking into the ambush, the hyena circles the python, barking loudly and keeping its distance. The python realizes it has lost the element of surprise. It lifts its head, trying to look big, but it knows the hyena is dangerous. The hyena barks, lunges, and nips at the python's body, testing for weakness. The snake tries to strike, but the hyena is quick and dodges away. Hyenas are bold when they feel safe. This one moves in, targeting the snake's head. With a sudden bite, it grabs the python near the neck. The snake writhes and tries to wrap around the hyena. But it is hard to get a good grip when you are being bitten. If the hyena can keep biting and avoid the coils, the python may be badly wounded. The snake's narrow head and soft neck are weak spots. In this scenario, the hyena's alertness and quick attack give it a big advantage. But what happens if the two animals meet face to face, both ready to fight? Sometimes, a battle starts without warning. Both animals see each other at the same time. The python rears up, hissing. The hyena growls, crouching low and ready to spring. For a moment, both hesitate, sizing each other up. The python lunges, hoping to grab the hyena's leg or head. The hyena dodges, snapping at the snake's body. The two twist and roll in the dust, each trying to get the upper hand. The python tries to wrap its coils, but the hyena is strong and keeps biting. A close fight like this tests both animals to the limit. The python's muscles are powerful, but the hyena's jaws are made for crushing. Blood is drawn on both sides. If the python can wrap the hyena and keep its own head safe, it could win. But a strong, angry hyena might bite through the snake's body, or even kill it before being squeezed too tight. This is the most even fight. Strength against strength, speed against speed. It could go either way, depending on luck, health, and who makes the first mistake. To decide who wins, let's break down their abilities, point by point. Let's compare both animals in 5 main areas: strength, speed, defense, strategy, and way of killing. Each has its own weapons and tricks. Strength. The python's muscles are unmatched in raw squeezing power, but the hyena's jaws are the strongest in the animal world, enough to shatter bones and, possibly, the snake's body. Speed. The hyena is much faster on land. It can dodge, run, and jump quickly. The python is fast in short bursts but slow to recover if it misses. Defense. The python's thick scales give some protection, but not against crushing bites. The hyena has tough skin and a thick neck, but it is not made to fight a giant snake alone. Strategy. The python relies on surprise and patience. The hyena is clever, alert, and keeps its cool in dangerous situations. It knows when to attack and when to pull back. Way of killing. The python suffocates its prey. The hyena kills with deep bites, aiming for soft flesh or breaking bones. Both animals are impressive, but only one can usually win in a wild showdown. So, who wins most often? If the python gets a perfect ambush, it has a real chance. Its bite and coils can kill almost anything. But if the hyena is alert or manages to bite back, the python is in trouble. The hyena's jaws can crush bones and even kill the snake before it's fully wrapped. Most experts agree, in a fair fight on dry land, the hyena has the edge. Its speed, strong bite, and clever tactics make it a tough target. A single hyena is brave and powerful. Unless it is caught completely off guard, it can bite through the python and survive. The snake's best chance is a surprise attack, but even then it risks deadly bites. But this is nature. Surprises happen. Sometimes the snake wins. Sometimes the hyena walks away. That's what makes this battle so exciting. What do you think? If these two animals fought, who would you bet on? The silent squeezing python or the wild biting hyena? Let us know which side you'd cheer for.